Hi, my name is Crystal Terry. I'm here with Sai Nuthi from Pivotal. Sai, would you like to introduce yourself and give a description of your role and your current company?
I'm Sai. I work as a PLM and configuration specialist at Pivotal. So basically, I administrate most of the engineering tools that we use for our design and development. And then I support governing functions like change management, configuration management, which we use the platform for. And then we also use BOM management on 3D Expense platform, for which we use DELMIA and yeah.
I know that you're a part of our User Champion program. When and why did you decide to join the User Champions program, and what benefits have you seen from joining as a DELMIA User Champion?
So basically, I've been using the platform DELMIA especially for past 7 years, varying from robotic simulation, additive manufacturing to NC machining and the entire suite of industrial engineering. I've decided to join DELMIA Champion program probably a year ago. So mainly the reason why is you get access to all the latest software tools that you could play around and educate your user group on what's coming. So right now, if we are using a 2023, I get to see 2025 and plan for what features we would get and kind of tell users that they should be a little bit like we are going to get new features in the next releases.
Okay. As a DELMIA user, how does DELMIA support your business at Pivotal?
We use DELMIA mainly for embalm creation. So we want to give engineering the creative ability to structure things as they want, so that they're structuring it in a way that they're giving the design specification out to manufacturing rather than having to focus on hey, is there a sub assembly here and how do I structure that. That's where I think 3D Expense platform really gives different views of the BOM for different teams and how they want to use it. So that's where we use DELMIA for manufacturing view of the BOM.
Okay. Would you say that the platform allows you to see this single source of truth and digital continuity?
So basically, even though we are creating a different manufacturing view of the same BOM, you didn't have to create new CAD, or you don't really have to take the CAD out to a different platform. You're just linking the CAD that was already created by an engineering team, but just adding more levels to it so that you can plan your manufacturing operations.
How does DELMIA make your job easier? Like, what have been the value added, or what is the value add of using DELMIA?
So early on, we had a homegrown PLM tool which was encompassing all the data, be it your design CAD files, your technical instructions, assembly instructions, and all the data in the same structure. So there was a lot of churn because if your manufacturing instruction changes, you have to go update your BOM, which was causing a lot of downstream impacts. Whereas having DELMIA, you didn't have to really change your EBOM data if the manufacturing BOM is changing. So that kind of limits the scope of the change and the downstream impacts based on that change.
How do you see that you can use the change management functions within the platform? Like, say you make an engineering change, how does that change then propagate to the virtual build aspect of your embalm process plan work instructions?
So right now, the EBOM and MBOM are digitally connected through scope link and instance links, which are implement links. So basically, since it's a very connected platform, whenever something changes on the EBOM, it kind of highlights on the MBOM. So it doesn't automatically fix the MBOM. It informs user that there's some change on the engineering side, and then they have to approve or do revisioning or version control based on how they would like to structure their MBOM.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.